I was there to see you get hit by that stuff.
It was freaking.
I like held it up. I was like, what the hell? I hold it up. I was like, boom.
So you were just lying on the ground.
Yeah, it's just like I pan away and then all of a sudden you hear boom.
Some guy was like,
some
guy's like, you got a grenade. You got a grenade. I was like, no.
Yeah.
Look, dude, I pulled the pin on my grenade. I go to throw it around the corner. I can't shoot, or I can't throw it because he keeps shooting right as I pop out. And then I was like, what the hell am I supposed to do with this? So I put it in this hand. I lift up my gun with my wrist, and I'm like flying around the corner. I get him out.
What?
I start to walk around the corner. Right as I walk around the corner, I get hit right in the butt by Ben.
Some guy bang banged me.
Really?
It's like, thank you for not shooting me that close.
Yeah.
Shoot me in the mouth.
Good shit.
Yeah, some guy shot me in the face. I don't know where he was. Like I just kind of like pop around the corner. I'm like, oh. All right, and then I pop out, and then there's nobody there. I'm like, I don't know. There was some guy like right here.
Yeah, there was a guy in that building to the left of us.
Oh really?
Yeah, he got ended.
Yeah, like I just poke around the corner. I'm like, oh.
Hey, where are we going? Where are we going?
I'll follow.
I'm probably gonna go right.
Yeah,
Hey, remember that one building right in front of the bus? Unless you want to go on the bus.
Yeah, the castle. I don't want to go on the bus. It's a death trap.
Yeah, you're pretty much.
Yeah, it is a death trap.
I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, let's go right.
Right?
Well, I'm sitting in the castle.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk this. Let all the fresh meat go.
Right flank, right flank.
Oh my god, I can't get it up. There we go. Oh god. That was close one.
Ten fort. On the right?
Yeah, right here, literally straight across. Look out this window, there's three guys in there.
Right here.
One of them's out.
Hey, what team you want? Hey, are you on 10? You want 10? Are you on 10? Alright, you guys together on 10? Alright. Watch out, man.
Barrel popping right on this building right next to us. I need you to be in this room. Cover, no, come in here. Come on, right there. You look there, everybody look there. Huh?
Hey, Wrigley's 7 from the city right there. You don't need anybody over there. that guy that just
Hey,
shot
don't
us?
walk out right there.
Is he tan? What
Watch
team
it,
is
bro.
that guy on that just shot at us?
I don't know. Watch it, bro.
Wait, is that guy on tan with us? Hit!
Told you.
Hit, I'm hit. Hit, come around the corner, hit.
Hey, right here. Hey, right here.
There's a guy over here, watch out.
Hey, the guy on the left flank. Where's he at? Where's he at?
He's hiding on that. There's a.
That blue building?
Yeah.
Alright.
Right to your left, and the guy peeking out the door right in front of you.
Oh. Hit.
on, man.
Sorry, dude.
Really? I had like an 8 kill streak right there, and you
I know,
ended.
so did I, dude. I shot at this one guy I thought I had covered.
I surrendered the
And
guy
I-
you were shooting at.
Yeah, I saw 2 other guys, and they're like, "You're good, you're good." I run out and I get shot by like 4 people. I got shot by literally like 4 people in one building, then 2 people by the bus. Full.
Full auto.
Was that a semi game?
You did? Good, because he's full autoed me. Yeah, this guy, my own team, I got like 8 kills. Come through, I'm all, yeah, my own team's like, poof. I was like, oh, yeah, he drilled me. Good shit, though. At least all 3 shots got me.
And he caught it on video, too.
We are.
Oh, I didn't know, dude.
You friend the card? Yeah. Oh, okay.
My bad.
I was like in a row.